this thing was well overdue. Let me get this out of the way. As you guys can see here, I set up the car already. Here's the thing, a lot of people asking me about the wide body Corvette, right? What's going on with the wide body? I'm still waiting, so there's no updates. And at this point, I don't want to rush. I want to enjoy the season. Now I can drive the car. I just took the car for alignment today. Everything is fine. Coilovers are good to go. We did a 4-point alignment. It was amazing. 120 bucks. You cannot beat. Good to go. And now I have fog lights and a spoiler to do, which I'm gonna do two separate videos for you guys. So today we're gonna do the fog lights. I know I was waiting, but I was like, I'm not gonna wait for the wide body because I don't need to, right? I mean, I can't wait, but I don't want to, you know what I'm saying, right? Now I have a show on in a few days and I wanna put that bad boy in, so let's work on. Here it's what we have, the Morimoto fog lights. This is not unboxing by any means. There are plenty of videos there, but I'll just show you guys what comes with. This is the fog light itself. I opened already because I want to make sure everything was fine. This is fog light number 2. And this is the bezel for the fog light, right, which goes right there. So we're gonna attach that. I'll try to be organized. You have the plugs. That's it. It should be a pretty straightforward install. I don't think we're gonna spend too much time on it. I hope not. You know how that goes, right? You always know how that goes. So wheels off, hands on. Let's get it. Saw how easy that was. Man, that's so easy. It's 7mm and that's it. Again, I'm not showing you guys how to because there are plenty of videos there. I'm just showing you my result. So here's the difference. Look, mine has this, I don't know if you can see, there's a PPF on it, which is super thick. Make the lens like super dirty. Now we're going to a clean look, so much better. I'm gonna put the bezel together and we should be able to plug that bad boy back on. I know I was always against this because I think it's just too much money. But I have to say, with the black and red that my car is going with, this is just, I'm gonna get rid of this old crappy thing. It's gonna be clean and I hope brighter, but my bulbs were pretty bright though. I cannot complain about it. All right, let's put it back on. They are in, look at that. Now for wiring, we need to turn it on and test because look how the wires come like this. See? So we need to take this out and test it to see which one is positive, which one is negative. Because it's LED, depends the way that goes the other way and doesn't turn on. So let's see. There we go. See? Oh, sorry, you guys didn't see, but I was putting that backwards. Look, this is on, this is off. Right, good to go. So I'll finish, and we're gonna do like a montage because this deserves a montage, right? so much better, right? You gotta agree, it's so much better. Let me see if I can. I took the roof off just because we can, right? Let me see if I can. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. I like so much the blacking housing though. Like, it's ridiculous how good this is. It's like there's no comparison. It's like a different car over and over. Like when you do small touch, and what I like it is the fact looks like yellow here, but it's not yellow though. Depends on the angle. It looks yellow, but it's not yellow. It's white. This one looks yellow too, but it maybe it's the camera. But I definitely like this. Look at this. I like the black because before it was like just a big lens, and this just completely the car, right? Yeah, super happy with it. Super happy. Look at this. Look how the car is sitting. It's just like perfecto. So let me know what I should do next. But I think pretty much this is it. So I don't think I need to do anything else as far. I mean, here's the thing. The wide body can be here anytime. I haven't heard about it. I'm not even bothering, to be honest. I just think like now I want to drive. I want to enjoy it, and I want to do like, you know, car stuff. It's car season, so I don't want to put the car apart now and then we need to figure out stuff. Probably something is gonna go wrong. That's how project cars are. So there's no way around that. And I don't know. I didn't reach out the guy, so my order is in, but we need to wait to see what's gonna happen. And that's why I just decided to put it in. I think that's just a plus to take to shows, to, you know, maybe win shows. You don't win because the mods on your car, you win because your car is clean, the presentation, and so on and so forth. But that little touch with the black and black, I like it. I personally like it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if that was a good choice going with the Morimoto's fog lights. And let me know, what do you guys think? Look at this. I really like this car though. I'm biased, but I really like. So if you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next one. Never forget, enjoy life and work hard for it.